Welcome to the Mediabox. Selin Sayek Böke here to talk about your report on multilateralism and healthcare, I guess partly inspired by lessons learned from the COVID pandemic.
This is true. I think the one critical lesson we learned was for the need for solidarity and multilateralism, because unless we have an equitable and efficient vaccination, therapeutics and diagnostics mechanism in place, we still have the weakest link being exposed to the pandemic, which means those who think they are the strongest link continue to be affected as well. So if we truly want a protection for each and every one of us, this requires that each and every one of us in the world actually has access to the same treatments.
You're calling for a holistic multilateral effort. What does that mean?
So as you may recall, the WHO actually took a leading role in calling out for a vaccination program that would be global enough. And we, as the Council of Europe, took a leading role in making sure that everything that was done was a human rights-based perspective. And in the WTO, the World Trade Organization, there were calls from countries like India and South Africa to waiver intellectual properties to allow for a global production capacity of vaccination. Now, when you put all of these together, we each have our silos where we speak in our internal world, whereas, it should actually be holistic, where these multilateral organizations speak to each other so that we have a unified framework where it's human rights-based, it's multilateral enough, it's as a health rights perspective, and it ensures that our economic policies and trade regulations actually are based on this human rights perspective and the protection of health rights. So in this perspective, we need a holistic approach to bring together our economic decisions, our environmental policy decisions, our health policy decisions, and make sure that you have a human rights framework in there, which requires a leading role for our organization, the Council of Europe, actually.
Selin Sayek Böke, thanks for talking to us.
Thank you very much.